Hi, welcome to Professor Kev Show. As you can see, I have my friend Trisha with us, and she's from Quintex Capital Management. Good evening, my friend. How you doing?
Great, great.
So, before we jump into talk about Quintex, tell us a little bit about yourself. What should we know about you? It appears that you like art based on the wall behind you.
Okay, so I'm 17-year old and I'm even an artist. So I'm very passionate about art, and I am even a speed painter wherein I paint a 3 feet painting with both my hands, and I've even also got an opportunity to go to India's Got Talent. Plus, I love sports and I love to build things. Even I'm a curious learner. Like whenever I get something onto it, I'll just blow out like whatever is available on the internet. I'll just feed it to myself. That's it.
Hmm. So, let's talk a little bit about Quintex Capital Management. Why did you start this idea? What need, what opportunity did you see?
Yeah. So basically, I saw a gap in the market wherein the people who are extraordinarily rich, like millionaires and billionaires, have multiple different tools and ways to compound their money, like hedge funds and everything, right? But when it comes to the lower middle class people, they don't get any of the tools or opportunities available where they could invest and at least beat the inflation. If we talk about, there are FDs and mutual funds in India, wherein FDs usually give you to 7 to 8% a year, which doesn't even beat inflation. Some of the people keep on saving money and they even don't know that they are just not being able to beat inflation and their value of money is dropping out. Mutual funds is something where the people are sitting and hoping the markets to go up. So I thought, like, I have a knowledge about technology and about algos. I've built my own algos. So with the experience in trading, I thought let's provide passive income to people who aren't able to. So yeah, and I believe in cash flows and assets, as my mentor had taught me. So like, inspired by that, I was like, let's provide cash flow to people, and that's how Quintex started.
So, tell me about the challenges you've had starting this idea. Were people open to hearing what you had to say?
Yeah, so mainly two challenges I face. The first is, like, in India, forex is illegal. So, still I used to trade, but I did figure out different ways to solve this. And the second problem was that, what do I say? So, to solve this, I thought let's build an entity in UAE or some other country, so that when we operate from there, there won't be any regulations or problems like the SEBI government of India doesn't allows us to trade. The second is, building an hedge fund in India is like extremely hard. The rules of SEBI now, if I'm even building a hedge fund in Indian stock markets, SEBI rules are so hard that they won't allow me to trade people's money, buying and selling. And that's why I thought let's just shift to some other country wherein we'll start with building an entity, and then initially we'll start with connecting our algos to different people's accounts and everything. Like, there are many structures like copy trading structures, mam structures, through which we can connect our algo to a bunch of people, a very large group of people. We'll start through that. Once we have a 1 year of live track record, we can urge the government to just allow us to accept people's money and trade on it. Initially, I think we'll have to operate like this, get regulated, and then get a license. And this way, we're planning to start.
So tell me about some of the successes you had. It seems like people would be interested in this if you're going to help them, beat inflation.
Yeah. So what we are currently doing is, as I said, we are collaborating with the brokers and IBs and country managers at the broker space. We are providing them like a month of algos trading in their account, in their live account, so that they could see that yes, the algo is working, it's generating. And then what they do is they set up a marketing team, and they're gonna market this strategy and this algo to the clients and the traders under the broker. Once it's done, these clients will be coming under our algo through the MAM structure and copy trading structure. And then like our algo runs, and the algo even runs in their accounts. So by that, the income is the profits are generated in their accounts, and every on the monthly basis we take the profit split of these clients. Currently, we have partnered with two search brokers, and they are helping us to get our clients. Still, we are planning to even work with three more. After that, we'll have a good portfolio of clients. And once, I think we are running from 3 months. So, like, once a year is complete, we'll even have a live track record. And once we have a live track record, big hedge funds and all the big people could invest. Currently, I think we even are planning to raise funding, because I even need to build more bigger infra and systems and running all these things.
So, crystal ball time, my friend. Where do you see this idea 3 years from now?
Yeah. So initially, I was planning to give it a number like, let's just take it to $1 billion hedge fund or something. But then I realized that setting up a target is not something we should put it. The goal must be to help more and more people get passive income. When your goal is to go, generate a good income to people, all these valuation and everything is a byproduct. So what I'm planning and what my goal is to provide 10 million people cash flow, a consistent cash flow through Quintex in next 3 years. And yeah, the other things like the cash flow for the revenue of the company, and these are all byproducts.
So, what's the best way for people to reach out to you if they want to learn more about your idea?
Yeah, so they could reach out to me on LinkedIn. Currently, I'm only available there. I actually don't use other platforms.
Awesome. I appreciate you taking a few minutes to call on the show. And as always, thanks for being my friend.
Thank you.